If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from NutraLife. Hello friends, welcome to NutraLife. I am Dr. Seema. I make videos related to food and nutrition. On this occasion of Diwali, NutraLife brought to you healthy snacks and sweets recipes. Diwali is the festival of light. It is the largest festival in India. Celebrates the victory of good over bad and light over darkness. When we think of Diwali, the things coming to our mind are lights, rangoli, friends, family, and the most important and everyone's favorite is sweets, desserts and savory snacks. This Diwali festival is different than other Diwalis we have celebrated last few years. As we all know, we are suffering from this COVID-19 pandemic. While celebrating this Diwali festival, every one of us should be mindful because this is the time we have to maintain good health and immunity. All the Diwali food preparations like chuda, bhujia, Shankarpali, karanji, laddu, all these foods are mostly deep fried and containing high amount of refined wheat flour, refined sugar, or as they all are deep fried containing very good amount of fat. And this is really not the correct time to eat such high fat, high sugar and high carbohydrate food because we all have to think about the health and immunity. Baked Shankarpali is prepared with wheat flour and for sweetening Jaggery is used. This Shankarpali is really nutritious. It is providing 5.74 gram of protein, 10 gram of fat, 5.68 gram of fibers, 53 grams of carbohydrate, 3.2 milligram of iron, 42.1 milligram of calcium, 0.33 milligram of vitamin B, 91 milligram of magnesium, 1.5 microgram of zinc, 277 milligrams of potassium and 176 milligram of phosphorus. This recipe provides total 300 kilocalories and this recipe makes 3 servings. Baked Namak Pare is very nutritious recipe as it is providing 5.28 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, 5.98 grams of fiber, 32 grams of carbohydrate, 2 milligrams of iron, 15.47 milligram of calcium, 0.12 milligram of vitamin B, 62.5 milligram of magnesium, 1.42 micrograms of zinc, 155 milligram of potassium and 157 milligram of phosphorus. This baked Namak Pare recipe provides 250 kilocalories and this recipe makes about 3 servings. Ingredients required to prepare baked Shankarpali are ghee, baking powder, baking soda, salt to taste, jaggery, milk, wheat flour. Take a mixing bowl, add wheat flour, then add baking powder, baking soda and salt, then add melted ghee and jaggery to the mixture. Mix all the ingredients with hand to homogenize jaggery and ghee with the flour for next 4 to 5 minutes. Add milk and start kneading to form smooth dough. Keep kneading the dough for 10 to 15 minutes and keep it aside covered with damp cloth for 10 to 20 minutes. Roll the dough into thick chapati and cut the chapati in equal diamond shapes with knife. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place all diamond-shaped Shankarpali on greased tray. Bake the Shankarpali for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove it from oven and let it cool down. Store it into airtight jar. This should last for 15 days. Now, the sugar-free, maida-free, less-fat, nutritious Shankarpali is ready to serve. Ingredients required to prepare baked Namak Pare are wheat flour, milk, salt, cumin seed powder, melted ghee, baking soda and baking powder. Take a mixing bowl, add wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, then add salt to taste and cumin seed powder. Now add melted ghee and mix all ingredients with hand. Add milk little by little and start kneading dough. Keep kneading the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Then keep it aside covered with damp cloth for 10 to 20 minutes. Roll the dough into thick chapati and cut the chapati in equal square shapes with the help of knife. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place all the square-shaped namak pare on tray. Bake the namak pare for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove it from oven and let it cool down. Store it into airtight jar. This should last for 15 days. Nutritious wheat flour namak pare are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, leave your comment and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates from NutraLife.